Papasok na kami sa garage. Si Holly nakatulog ulit. Hirap siyang huminga. Parang naririnig kong baradong-barado ang kanyang ilong. Okay, pasok na tayo sa garage. Dito na sila lasak! Dito na sila. Film you sak. Yan yung pizza. Yan na lang yung natira. Gigisingin niya si Holly kasi nakatulog. Ayan na siya. Ginising na siya ng daddy niya and kumakain na siya ng pizza. So ako, ang gagawin ko ay linisin ko yung kalat dito kasi tingnan nyo, meron silang ewan ko kung bakit yung tira ko tong potato, yung pressed potato. Magugas lang ako kasi may nakikita akong hugasan. Siguro si kuya kumain ng rice kanina. Kasi may tira pa akong sabaw ng adobo. Siguro kinain niya. May rice pang konti. Alam niyo na si kuya, tirador ng rice. So, yeah. Linis muna ako dito. Hiwain ko yung capsicum or yung bell pepper. So, mag-good night daw siya sa inyo.
Night, please like and subscribe if you haven't.
Di pa naman
See
tayo.
you on the next vlog. Bye.
Nag-cleanos niya yung vlog ko.
Night.
Tingnan natin kung matapos ko to.
I didn't want to close the vlog. I like vlogs. And I like skating at the canteen. Coves.
Alin yung
Yeah.
even we did the check out.
Because it was fun, but it was freezing my hand because of the spring roll.
The wrapper.
Yeah.
Okay, go to bed na. Night. Tulog na siya. Ako mamaya
That's it.
pa.
I hope you have a good sleep. And I hope you're not sick too. Bye.
So, ayan na yung ating bell pepper. Natadtad ko siya ng pinong-pino. Ayan siya.
Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young. I'll never be this young.
Meron na tayong prito. Laki nito. Kita try natin. Amoy ano siya? Hipon. Kasi linagyan natin siyang hipon, di ba? Mainit pa to. Masarap siya. Okay na siya para sa akin. Pero magdadagdag ulit akong asin and chicken powder. Chicken powder yung ilalagay ko. Kasi ilalagay ko siya sa freezer. Kasi pag matagal siya sa freezer, yung lasa niya, kasi gagamitin namin to hanggang sa Christmas party namin to eh. Tsaka yung iba ibibigay ko sa ibang friends ni Jan. So pag matagal siya sa freezer, tumatabang siya. Napansin ko yan noon kasi lagi ako nagaganito naman eh. Napapansin ko yun, okay yung lasa niya sa akin pag bagong gawa. Tapos pag matagal na siya sa freezer, iba yung lasa niya, parang tumatabang siya. Nagising si Jan. Tulog na si Jan kanina pa eh, kasi may fishing siya. Tapos, yun nga, tumatabang siya. So, ang ginagawa ko, pag alam kong hindi pa naman namin kakainin right away, pero kung kakainin na namin to, okay na yung lasa. Pero, pag i-stock ko siya sa freezer, dinadagdagan ko siya ng asin, tapos chicken powder, o kaya magic sarap, para pagluto natin, after how many weeks or mag-months man yan, okay pa yung lasa. Yun, para sa akin ha. Pero eto, okay na yung lasa niya. Masarap, promise. Masarap. Hindi na nga kailangan, pero ilalagay natin siya sa freezer, so dadagdagan ko siya ng asin. Very good. Okay? Ayan. Ready na ba tayo magbalot ng spring rolls? Ako pala. So, mayroon akong dito sa fridge na 5 spring rolls wrapper or pastry. And meron ako before na tira dyan. Siguro 3 pa yon. Tapos kanina kumuha tayo ng 5. So, ilan na? 13 pieces. 13 pieces na ganito. So, each bag is 20 sheets. So, hopefully magkasya siya. Ayan, kasi ang dami nito. And ready na yung aking piping bag. Kasi marami-rami to. Magpa-pipe na lang ako. Pag kunti lang yung ginagawa ko, ginagamit ko kutsarita. Pero pag maramihan, ito ang aking kaibigan. So, mag-start na tayo. Ito yung ating egg wash para sa pang-sealed. Kuha pala ako ng gunting. And meron ulit akong prinito. Meron ulit akong prinito dito. Ayan. Sarap. Okay. Start na ako.
Again, don't wanna chase highs when I'm too worn out, so I'm never coming down, never coming down, never coming down again. I was born to be this high, born to be this high, born to be this high, my friend. Won't you come up here to my altitude, yeah, you, 'cause I always liked you. I wanna share this view, I wanna share this view with you. We're never coming down, never coming down, never coming down again. We were born to be this high, born to be this high, born to be this high, my friend. Broken people flying like heroes all around town and never coming down. Normal people writing our stories. We're never boring and never coming down. Don't wanna waste time. I'll never be this young.
Good afternoon. Today is November 16, Thursday. Time is 1:27. Madaling araw na ako natulog. Umaga na ako natulog kasi tinapos kong balutin yung ating spring rolls. Naabutan ako ni Jan, 2:30 umalis si Jan. Naabutan niya ako and nasermon na ng very light lang. Sinabihan niya lang ako na tama na, matulog ka na. Pero pinush ko siya na matapos. So nakagawa akong 168 pieces na mahaba. Andun sa fridge, sa kabilang fridge, sa labas. Hindi ko pa siya na balot sa yung na-divide ba, na portion. So, maya-maya gawin ko yun. And yeah, sobrang pagod ang person. Sakit ng katawan ko. Kanina, inasikaso ko yung mga bata. Kasi nakatulog ako mga guys, alas 4 na. 3:30 ata ako. 3:35 ata ako natapos maggawa ng spring rolls. And then, nilinis ko pa dito. Ayun pa yung mga pinugasan ko kanina madaling araw. Then, natulog ako din. Gumising ako mga 7 o'clock para asikason yung mga bata. And wala akong energy buksan yung camera kasi sobrang antok ako. So, inasikaso ko sila. Tumasok na si Holly, although hindi pa siya ganun ka-better. Pero, yeah, pumasok na siya. And, si Jan, dumating siya. Nasa bed pa ako mga 12. Bata siya dumating. Nasa bed pa ako. Then, bumangon ako naligo. And, yeah, so sakit ng ating mga kasukasuan. Sakit dito, oh. Kasi madami din yun, ha. Kunin ko nga para lagay na natin sa plastic. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Hindi ziplock, wait lang. Dami nito, guys. Tingnan nyo ang bigat. 2 kilo to, diba? O mahigit. Ayan. So, 168 pieces siya. na ganito kahaba. Yung chicken to, di ba? Inuna natin yung chicken. So, binalot ko siya ng maigi para hindi siya mag-dry. Kasi kanina wala na akong time na ilagay sila sa bag. Kasi sobrang antok na ako. First time kong mag-ganon ulit. Matagal na ako hindi natutulog ng madaling araw. Kasi di ba, binago ko na yung routine ko. Pero, wala eh. Kasi kailangan natin itong tapusin. Ayan siya, guys. So, ano siya? 168. So, mga 332 ba? Pag hinati natin siya. Or 300, ilan ba? 168 times 2. Ayan. Kaya na. Basta nasa 300 plus siya pag hinati. Ipiprito ko siyang ganito kahaba. Then, after maprito, saka ko siya puputulin. Kasi pag prinito ko siya na hinati ko na, pumuputok siya. Meron ako ditong ginawa. Kasi kumain ako kagabi. So, ganito mangyayari. Pag pinutol nyo siya na hindi pa siya luto, kaya pag gumawa kayong ganitong kahaba, lutuin nyo na siya ganito. Wag hatian. Kasi, ang mangyayari ay lalabas yung laman, matitira yung wrapper. Pero crunchy pa siya, guys, ah. Kanina pa ko. Ang oras ko siya na prinito. Siguro mga alas 12. Kaninang madaling araw. Pero crunchy pa siya. Tapos eto, prinito ko siya mahaba. Tapos, pag luto na siya, pwede na siyang putulin. Para hindi lumabas yung laman. Ang sarap. And then, ang dinner namin, sabi ni Jan, kasi tinanong ko na siya para ilabas ko na sa freezer yung aking... Wait lang, nandito yung aking yung aking lulutuin for tonight, for dinner. Sabi niya, something light lang daw. Sabi ko, spring roll? Yes, so. Spring roll yung dinner namin tonight. Diba? Naubusan ako ng ziplock na malaki. Meron yata konti na lang. Dito ko na lang siya ilagay. So, siguro mga 30 pieces sa isang bag. So, para may 60 pieces tagal luto. Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Kayo, paano kayo mag-prito ng spring rolls niya? Minsan kasi ang ginagawa ko ay kagabi kasi ginawa ko na lang na ganito, tapos gumamit ako yung parang, yung piping para sa aking baking. Ang ginawa ko ay, instead na putulin ko siya, kasi ang ginagawa ko before, yung square na yon, hinahati ko siya sa dalawa, then saka ko siya rinoroll. Hati na siya. Tapos i-close ko yung both ends. So ngayon, ay kagabi, hindi ko na yung ginawa kasi sabi ko para matapos ako. So, rinatsada ko lang siya ng gano'n. And Renal, sabi ko, pag niluto na lang siya, ikakat. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos madami to eh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, sige, 20 na lang. 20 na lang para 40 pieces pag hinati siya. So, 20 sa isang bag. Ito, pag binili mo to, may ganito na siya, guys. Yung parang may wire. I-freezer ko to doon sa malaking freezer namin. Yung parang pang-commercial talaga. Kasi, pang matagalan yun. Pang matagalan yun. Ay, dapat alisin natin yung air. May poke tayo dyan. 20 pieces. So, balutin ko lang muna to. Tali ko nga muna yung ating buhok. Naligo na ako para, ano ba, sabi ko pa, kanina pagising ko parang wala akong energy. So, yung unang buhos ng tubig, hindi siya ganun kainit kasi, di ba, warm and cold dito. So, hindi ganun kainit kasi parang naliligaw ako, mainit talaga. Kasi mainit talaga siya. Kanina, medyo cold para magising ako. Para magising ang diwa ko. Kasi wala talagang energy. So, balutin ko lang to and then, hopefully, magawa ko yung Christmas tree. Kasi wala akong ganap na like aalis, papuntang town. Wala. So, hopefully, magawa ko siya ngayon. And then, bukas, may ganap ulit kasi yung mga bata, mayroon silang activity sa school. Pupunta dito si Auntie Mel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hintayin ko yung mga bata para gawin namin yung Christmas tree. Is Kuya has golf lesson, Han? Yeah. Ay. Akala ko pa nun magagawa namin kami. Gusto ko sing gawin yung Christmas tree. Kaming lahat ng mga bata. And sabi ko, yes, bukas. Sabi ko ngayong Thursday, wala akong driving papuntang Mount. Gagawin namin yung Christmas tree. Si Kuya naman pala ang wala. Kasi yun nga pala, golf si Kuya. Ilan na ba to? 10? So may golf pala si Kuya. So, what time, Han? 5? Ah, may time pa. Pwede pa mag-join si Kuya. So, gawin namin yung pagdating ng mga bata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Para sa padating ng Christmas party namin, hindi ko naiisipin magbalot ng ano. Kasi ito, it takes time para gawin to kasi uupuan talaga to. So, at least ngayon, tapos ko na siyang gawin. O, hindi pa pala kasi may pork pa ako. Nilalagyan ko to ng label na chicken. You wanna try this one, Han? Just this one. Just try this one. This is the chicken. Nawala kasi sa balot. Sus, kinagat niya lang. Hindi kasi kumakain si Jam pag mga ganitong oras. Gusto niya dinner talaga. Kung kakain man siya dapat mga alas 10. Pero bihira rin kasi yung kumain kasi ang pagkain niya, ang time ng kain niya talaga is dinner. Dinner dito. Parang nagpa-fasting din si Jan. Accidentally, nagpa-fasting siya kasi hindi nga siya kumakain pag Except dun sa binabaon niya. After nun, wala na siyang kinakain. Kasi sinisave niya na yung tummy niya for dinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, balutin ko lang to guys ha. Kasi madami-dami to. So, ayan. Nabalot na natin. Meron tayo ditong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na tig 20. So, eto yung aming nila. Sa kanila to, dinner nila mamaya. So, lagay ko na lang to dito sa So, 19 yung lulutuin natin. So, yan. Lagay ko na to dito. And eto, lagay natin sa freezer. Lalagyan ko siya ng eto. Chicken. This is chicken. So, mag-edit muna ako guys. Hintayin ko yung mga bata para gawin namin yung Christmas tree. Edit muna tayo para matapos na natin ang October vlog. Okay. See you later. Patayin ko muna kayo syempre. Ganyan ko siyang chicken sa palibot ng bag. Ayan. Ewan ko na lang kung magkamali pa tayo. And yung ating Christmas tree, ganun pa din. So, habang nag-i-edit tayo, ito yung aking kakainin. Meron tayo ditong oat yogurt and yan yung ating blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Ang flavor ng ating oat yogurt is mango passion fruits. So, yan yung ating brunch ko na to guys. 3:20 na guys. Andito na yung mga bata. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-edit guys. Hi! How's your day?
Good.
Ah,
My nose was a little bit running.
Ronnie. Okay, we're gonna do the Christmas tree get changed now.
Now?
Yes. I'll have a rest a little bit and
No,
then.
can we do it now, please?
Alright, okay then. Thanks. Gusto niya na matapos yung Christmas tree. Hindi natin matatapos yung ating ini-edit. Kain sila ng pizza kasi may tropa tayong pizza yung si Kuya. And nagbihis na rin siya ng kanyang pang-golf kasi alis lang mamaya ni Daddy. So start na natin. Kuya, is this not good?
Not good.
Oh, put this in the big plate.
So what?
I'm gonna start decorating. Ilagay ko muna yung mesh.
Are we
Uy,
gonna-
Kuya, don't do that.
Are we gonna do this?
No, mesh first.
So we don't have to.
Mesh and...
I don't know how to do mesh.
Ako, I need a cord for our, lights.
I'll do it.
Yeah, ask Daddy. Kasi yung cord namin, nakakonect sa TV, doon sa kwarto. So, lagay ko muna tong mesh. Ipupulupot lang muna natin siya dito sa Christmas tree.
But the Christmas tree is gonna be not the same anymore
Why?
because it's gonna change.
The look of this.
That's my outfit. I don't look the same every year.
Here.
Whoa. Dad, do you put the... Yeah, you do.
What time are we going?
The lights. The light flashlight game.
What if these ones aren't
No,
working?
20.
What?
20 minutes?
No.
Alright. Mum, I won't be here for the bowls.
Why?
I'm going in 20.
Minutes.
4. Why isn't 4 working? Mum.
I'll do it. Hindi naman nag-work yung ating
Lights.
lights. Yung sa taas. Ipulupot ko lang muna to. Wait lang guys. Kasi mauubos ang SD card ng memory.
Mum, but if they're gone, who's gonna lift me to put the...
Oh, Daddy, you can wait for Daddy. Wino-worry niya kasi si Daddy aalis. Paano niya raw ilalagay yung angel sa taas. Ako, paano niya hintayin si Daddy? Right. Do you want nuggets and rice?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
How about spring roll stock? You want spring roll?
Yes, please.
Stock?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Si Kuya ayaw niya kasi may hipon.
There's something in it that I just have a feeling I know what it tastes like.
Like what?
Prawns.
No, there's no prawns.
Mum didn't put...
I only like
Hindi ko
the
sinasabi
cheese.
sa kanya kasi Kuya ayaw niya. Hindi niya yung kakain.
I hate the cheese in it. I only like the cheese one.
Well, you can have a spring roll then because you're choosy.
I like the massive spring rolls.
The big one
That
with the
one with
veggies.
No, the one with
Yeah,
the
and that
cheese. Sauce. Mum, where's the cheese ones?
Oh, and the vinegar.
The ones with the cheese inside of it.
No, I didn't do it this year.
How long have you had this Christmas tree for?
Oh, older
10
than you.
years.
Older than you, yeah. Ah, say
11 years.
12. 12 years.
Not,
Oh,
yeah.
13.
Yeah.
No, I'm 12.
12 years na. 12 years na itong Christmas tree namin, guys. Kaya medyo, ano na siya.
Good.
Still looks good sa?
No. Everything's coming out of it.
Oh, all Christmas
Look at the
is...
floor.
Yeah, that's normal.
How?
What happened to
Mum, how long have you had this for?
Like 3 years.
What? The
Yeah.
mash?
I like the old Christmas tree.
No, I like this one.
It's not as bright as it is.
What, the red one?
Yeah, the red and gold.
But Mum, the red one's like the proper colours.
For Christmas?
Yeah.
No, it's red and green.
Yeah, that's the proper colours I said.
We had silver and gold. No,
But red.
red and gold, silver.
Oh no, this is.
Huh? You're going now?
Okay.
Nilalagay nila yung kanilang mga balls here.
I need to find my gum.
Okay. Si Kuya.
I'm gonna put these
ilalagay siguro yung
Mom,
ating
remember
mga...
you broke one?
Yeah, mga babasagin kasi. Meron tayong mga bata.
And
na
these, and
parating.
these.
Maybe we're just gonna put the gold, that one,
And then.
and all the roses
And
and flowers. Yeah, you can just put that one.
Then you put the
So,
bed.
love you,
Can we
Kuya.
open it? Can I put one on, Mom?
You can put anywhere you want. So, hindi ko ilalagay yung mga ganito kong bowls. Kasi wala na akong makita nito doon sa
Remember when?
limain ko. Babasagin
Mom.
to, guys. Yes?
Remember when all of these broke? And
Ayan.
then we had to put them all.
Yeah. So, hindi ko siguro ito ilalagay. Kasi baka magbasag. Kasi hindi maiiwasan ng mga bata itatouch yan.
Mom, don't chop it like you did last time.
Pwede ko siguro ilagay sa taas. Huwag lang sa baba. Yes. Pwede sa baba.
Mom, don't
Sa baba na lang. No, I mean, sa taas ko ilagay yung mga yun. Tapos sa baba yung mga pwedeng yung hindi babasagin.
Snowflake.
Okay.
Open.
Where's Kuya Sak?
Outside putting it up.
So, ito yung malalaking flowers. Ayan. Kailangan natin siyang
Mommy, look.
Yeah.
Are these table or are these together? Are these together?
No, you have to separate them. Oh, lighten na yung balls ng baba kasi nagpapahulog sila.
Maybe they're supposed to be together.
I got a hammer.
What? No, don't hammer it.
I'm not gonna hammer that. Can I hammer?
You wait for Daddy. I don't think so Daddy will like you to hammer that in...
Hey,
What are we
Mommy.
gonna do? Nag-pour na siya ng ano doon.
Mommy, they're supposed to be together.
Ayan. Sa, lang, nagpupukpuk na doon si Sa.
Now where's the angel?
Angel.
Ooh, that's not good though. I don't know a hammer can break the pin.
Yeah, it would because that pin is very thin.
Wow, Mom. It already looks so pretty and maganda.
Ganda na.
Is it, Mom, how long has that rug been there before?
What love?
That rug
Same
is
as the Christmas tree.
12. Whoa.
Same as the, yeah.
Whoa, Mom, I didn't know that flower can open. It's like it's gonna open for summer. It wasn't cold today, that's why I didn't use my jacket.
Why are you melting now?
What about this one,
Oh,
Mom?
no, not that one. I'm not putting that on this.
Can I get another flower waiting for me?
Yeah, you can open like this. Oh my God, para kang
I was
ano
trying to
dyan.
hang this up but like now look up one.
Flower.
Wag, ang ingay nito. Okay, just open like this, Baba. Sak, close the door.
I've done more than you, Mum.
What do you mean you done more than me?
I put more up than
Can you do me something? Fold all the paper? Thank you.
I'm just trying to hang my lucky glass.
Your lucky what?
My lucky glass.
Your lucky bag. Ano yun? Ano?
They walk down here.
You may like fold the paper.
Fold all the paper. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, just like... No. Just do like this. Like that. And then stuck it there. So, mommy.
Hey guys, that's it. And more you go.
You're not using all of them, aren't you?
I am. Not the glass one.
The angel.
The angel one.
Yeah.
Don't sit it
I'll
there.
do all of it.
Mommy, we're gonna set the angel in a bed. Is there any more things like the wiping angel?
Little bit more.
Yeah, here.
Because you can't use all of that. Can't
What?
you can't use all of that.
What do you mean?
But is all of that like filled in the box? That's it.
Sylvia, do you want this?
Nah, Mum, this one's wet, so.
We're gonna add this.
Yeah. I think this is very cool.
This one. The new one. Nice. This is cute. So cute.
Yeah. Open all the roses, Baba. Si Kuya Sak. Si Sak at ang ginagawa niya. Can you see Sak? You cannot see Sak. We cannot see you. Yan siya nagtutupi.
Oh, we're gonna add this one.
Huh? Yeah.
No, where's the? Where do you hold it? Where do you hold it from? I don't know where you hold it. I don't know where you hold it. It's too much.
Give it to me.
What about these ones?
No.
Mum.
We're not adding.
No, we're not putting that this year. So that's breakable. So don't do that, my God.
I think. You want. Let me see. Yep. Sounds good. Here you go, Mom. It's a beautiful
Does
song.
it look full now?
Mom, I found all of these.
But then, Mum, we've got to take them all out. Next year, probably. Are you going to help me fold all these after?
Wala na.
Everything that I find is one of these.
Yeah, we got. Okay.
Think it's full, Mum. That was only like 20 minutes.
Don't talk to me.
So, ayan na yung Christmas tree natin. Ang kulang na lang dyan ay yung... What's missing, Holly?
The angel, because we have to wait for Dad so he can lift it and I can put it on.
Yes, yung angel. At saka mamaya, yung box na to, yung mga yung pang-decorate ko, mamaya ilalagay ko yan dito. Magluto muna ako ng spring rolls. So, prito tayo. Spring rolls. Si Kuya ayaw niya kasi nalalasahan niya yung shrimp. Si Sak, the rest okay. Si Kuya lang talaga ayaw niya ng shrimp, ayaw niya ng lobster. Si Kuya talaga ayaw ng masarap na seafoods.
And he doesn't want, he thinks that there's prawn in it because he doesn't like prawn.
I know.
I like prawn with the sauce.
Yes.
That's good.
So, init lang tayo. Luto na rin ako na rice. Hala, bakit? 1 hour and 30 minutes to. Dapat 40 minutes lang. Meron pa ako ditong pinapakula na tubig. Kasi lulutuin ko yung okra na nabili ko. Yung iba hindi na maganda. Yung isang araw ko lang yung binili. Hindi na siya, pangit na yung iba. And after ng okra, magboboil ako ng kamote and eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. And yung spring rolls natin, ang haba. Okay. Oops. And yung dalawa nasa trampoline. Hindi ko lang kung maririnig yun. Nasa trampoline na silang dalawa. Tapos na yung ating spring rolls. And yung okra tapos na rin. Naluto ko na ngayon eggs. Yung dalawang dito na. Ayan na. Hugas-isak ng kami kasi gusto niya kumain ng spring rolls. Maliligo na tong dalawa.
Well, I haven't boiled it, so.
If you want. 1 each. It's hot, huh?
Come on, Kozak.
I'm good.
Good? Yeah, I already know what.
Can I try?
Please.
Hindi ko na makuha. Good?
Yeah.
Ready ko na yung food nila.
It's so good.
Ha?
How looks good.
Looks good. Oh, andito na si Kuya.
Great timing.
Ha?
Great timing.
Look at the Christmas tree.
Yeah, we done it. Yeah.
Nuggets.
Yeah.
I'm not
Nuggets.
having spring rolls.
You're not having spring rolls?
But there is two.
Eto na pala yung spring rolls
I'm
sinati
just
ko na.
gonna use my hands.
Oh, you want hands?
Why?
Ayan. Hinati na natin. Baba, this is yours, ha? Gusto nila maliit na plato ang gamitin.
Look at the Christmas
It's
tree.
so hot. That angel.
Yeah, later, after dinner.
After dinner, Daddy, you have to leave me.
I swear it was more gold last.
Gold? No, it's all. Oh, no, I didn't put all the balls. The breakable balls. Because we have kids coming. That's why. I have to carry, yeah, I did.
How that?
Johnny boy. Bakit daw ang haba?
Oh,
You want this potato? Si Kuya.
thank you.
Welcome. Eggs. Eggs na binoiled natin. Dapat 3 yung akin. Pero nawalan tayo kasi si Jang gusto din. Tapos yung mga bata, tigi-isa talaga. Oh! Careful, Zach. Ayan. Okay, Holly. Okay.
What is that?
Okra. Tingnan mo si Jan. Thank.
I picked the wrong egg.
Ayan.
Oh, I picked the wrong egg.
Why? It's all here.
Do you want this one?
Yeah, just put it there. Si Jan magdadalawa yan ng hard-boiled eggs. So, yan. Ayan, nagluto silang popcorn. Oli, ayun. Kausap niya na si Veronica.
Burning, put your whole hand on.
Si Kuya kinakabit niya yung mga ibang balls. Push it, Baba, push. Sige, push, yep. Tapos i-fix na lang yan ni Jan. Ayan. Well done. O, ayan na. Tapos na yung ating Christmas tree. Mag-edit ulit ako kasi hindi ko pa tapos yung aking ini-edit, guys. Guys, I'm still editing. And kunti na lang matatapos ko na to. So, i-close na natin yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin today. And yung mga bata matutulog na kasi ang oras is, halahoy, 9 o'clock. Past 8:30 na. Oy, dapat 8:30 ang bedtime. Turn it off, please. 8:30 kasi dapat off na yung TV. Okay, come on. Close the vlog. Come on. Sabayan nyo kami ni Holly dito. And fix the couch, please. Thank you. Okay, come on. Ay, ayaw. Alright guys, close ko na yung vlog. Thank you.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog.
Good night,
Good night.
guys.
Hope you have a
Thank
good
you.
sleep.
Good night. Brush your teeth now, please. Brush your teeth. Okay, good
Let
night.
I have to have medicine still.
Alright. Okay, good night, guys.
Because I think I do.